All right, it's time to set up this whole huge building. Here we go. I love the lighting, so beautiful. Here's my photo booth made out of 2 boxes. I painted this thing. Done. Painted by me. Now I'm going to show you how to make a portal into my house. Clarissa's here helping blow up balloons. Thanks, Clarissa. It's starting to look good in here. Check it out. Here's my sculpture. And we have some mushrooms back there.
You know what I'm saying? We at Verve. We over here making some stuff for Neon Fest. Now, if you don't know about Verve, like,
Or is it top secret?
it is top secret.
Is it top secret?
You just gotta find it.
Somewhere around here, but we're making some.
But you probably won't even be able to get into the door.
mushrooms. Let's see how it goes. It's gonna go so good.
Got my handy dandy orange cutters, and I'm ready. Step on that piece right there.
We're building mushrooms here.
You're not what?
Looking at what I'm doing. I don't need to look at what I'm doing.